IComfort S30 keeps rebooting and shutting down the AC.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Lennux Signature series.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It started 2 weeks ago when we first turned on the AC. This is a new thermostats. It works fine for heat.
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
New filter coiled are clean, float switch is new and drain lines are clear. Chat is completed.
Hello, you were talking to our AI robot that collects preliminary data or at least tries to. I'm Phil, mechanical engineer / electrical, boiler, and HVAC contractor retired. Allow time for me to pull manuals, do CAD drawings or type responses for you before terminating our discussion, please. I will always stay with you to the very end, and in over 98% of the questions I deliver a suitable solution. Phone call offers are automated, and entirely optional. That will speed things up, however. Note, on this end we do not stand by. I am notified when you post back, and that puts you back to the head of my queue, so there can be that wait. Catalog searches, and typing a well thought out and helpful response take time. There can be that delay as well. And I sleep at night, of course. So far it looks like it might be a little low on refrigerant due to a leak if it's an older system, or if it is new, it could have been undercharged from the start. And cycling on its low pressure safety cutout switch. Let me know when it was installed, please, we can go from there.
Refrigerant is perfect, we just had it topped off and rechecked during runtime.
Thanks, most likely correct. However, not every technician is flawless. From this position here we see a lot of error. You may have noticed that with other dealings you engage in when repairs are concerned. Instruments need to be used on site to dig into the causes of the phenomena you reports. Or we might proceed here for a bit with a few more questions that will shed more light on the issue. 1. Feel the largest tube attached to the outside unit after unit has been running for longer than 10 minutes, if it runs that long, and tell me if it is cool and sweating, or just slightly cool. Or feels like room temperature. 2. Tell me how long the on/off cycles are apart. Are these longer than 5 or 10 minutes or just seconds, etc.?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.